Alright, we're going to do our first cut. The 046 Stihl chainsaw. And see how it does. Hopefully I can keep prancing away from the camera. Alright, come on, let's stand over here. Let's start chainsaw, make a cut. Look, here's your ball.
I found your ball.
Stay right over there, okay? We're going to make a cut with the chainsaw, okay? Branson, stay right there, okay?
Okay.
Well, it done pretty good.
Yeah,
I see it.
airplane.
I see the airplane. It done pretty good. That's some really, really hard oak. It's been sitting, I guess, for about a month now, so it's very, very dense wood. So maybe we'll try some pine.